Hey guys, welcome back to Polygon UK. Today I'll be unboxing and showing you the latest Samsung S23 Ultra which I bought today. Let's get into it. So basically, when you open the box, you can see the phone. You can see like the back of it. I think I need to remove it first. Now here it is, guys, the red phone. Looks like my dad bought the red version of it. And then I think I just need to peel this off. And there you go, you can see the real phone inside of it. It's pretty nice. And then, so basically, my dad bought it today because his phone's been a little glitchy recently, and I think he's made a good choice on buying this phone. And it also came with 1 year of Disney Plus, which is very great. I love that. It comes with this Samsung pen, which you can use to, like, instead of using your hands to use the phone, you can use the pen to control the phone. And you say it also came with a charger, which is good. And I think this is where this is like the guidance to like how to use the phone, how to activate it and all that. So yeah, that's all. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.